Welcome back to the channel in the complex world of human interactions. Countless subtle signals often go unnoticed, yet these signals can reveal powerful unspoken emotions, especially when it comes to attraction. These cues are woven seamlessly into our everyday lives, and learning how to recognize them can give you deep insight into someone's true feelings. Today, we're exploring 7 key signs that a woman may be secretly attracted to you. Each of these signs isn't just random behavior. They're backed by psychological research and real-world studies. By understanding these subtle indicators, you'll develop a sharper awareness of social dynamics and build stronger, more meaningful connections. Imagine being able to decode those quiet signals that most people overlook. This insight can empower you to navigate relationships with greater empathy and confidence. Attraction is often a silent language, one that's expressed through body language, micro-expressions and nonverbal cues. But once you know what to look for, that language becomes much easier to read. So what exactly are these signs? And how can they help you understand what someone's really feeling? Let's dive into the first and one of the most powerful signs of secret attraction. Sign number 1, the lingering glance. One of the clearest indicators that a woman may be secretly attracted to you is the lingering glance. This isn't just a quick look in your direction, it's a gaze that lasts just a little longer than normal, often filled with warmth, intensity, or curiosity. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools in human communication. It helps us form connections and express emotions that words sometimes can't capture. When a woman holds eye contact with you for an extended moment, it's a strong sign that she's engaged, interested, and possibly drawn to you. Psychologists have studied this extensively. Research shows that prolonged eye contact can significantly increase feelings of intimacy and emotional closeness. It's one of the most consistent nonverbal cues of romantic interest. But there's more to it than just holding your gaze. A lingering look is often her way of silently communicating interest, especially in situations where saying it out loud might feel awkward or inappropriate. She might be trying to see if you notice, if you'll return the look, if there's mutual interest in that moment. She's opening the door for connection without saying a single word. There's even a biological component to this. When we're attracted to someone, our pupils dilate and we naturally focus more on them. This unconscious response is your body's way of saying, "I'm interested." So, when you catch a woman holding your gaze, it's likely not just a choice. It's a mix of psychology and biology working together from a practical standpoint. Recognizing a lingering glance can give you the confidence to respond, to smile back, start a conversation, or simply be more present in the moment. It can also help you avoid missing opportunities or misreading situations, and often this lingering glance is accompanied by other small signs, like a soft smile, a raised eyebrow, or a gentle tilt of the head. These subtle additions can reinforce the message and give you more clarity about her feelings. In short, the lingering glance is one of the most telling and yet often overlooked signs of attraction. It's subtle, it's silent, but it speaks volumes. Learning to notice and interpret this cue can open up new possibilities for connection and help you navigate your interactions with deeper understanding and authenticity. Attraction more than meets the eye. Attraction is a multifaceted experience, psychological, physiological, and practical. It's one of the key signs to watch for when trying to understand someone's feelings. By learning to recognize the subtle signs of attraction, you can gain deeper insights into a woman's emotions and navigate your social interactions with more confidence and clarity. Next time you're in a social setting, pay close attention to the eyes. They may be revealing more than words ever could circuit to. The subtle touch in the complex dance of human interaction. A subtle touch can speak volumes when a woman is secretly attracted to you. She might initiate light, fleeting touches that convey comfort. These touches aren't random, they're intentional and deeply meaningful. whether it's a gentle brush on your arm or a playful tap on your shoulder. Such gestures often reveal more than casual conversation. Touch is one of the oldest and most powerful forms of nonverbal communication, and it plays a huge role in establishing trust and emotional connection. Research in social psychology has shown that touch releases oxytocin, the so-called bonding hormone. It helps reduce stress, boosts feelings of trust, and deepens emotional intimacy from a stoic perspective. Recognizing the subtle power of touch align with mindfulness and emotional warmth and a sense of closeness. Awareness. Stoicism teaches us to stay attuned to our own feelings and those of others. When a woman feels safe enough to initiate touch, it's often a clear sign that she feels connected to you and perhaps wants to get closer. Practically speaking, being aware of these physical cues allows you to respond with empathy and respect, opening the door to deeper connection, whether it's a comforting pat or a playful nudge. These gestures often express what words cannot. 3 unspoken compliments in the realm of attraction. Not every compliment is spoken aloud. When a woman is drawn to you, she may express admiration in ways that are subtle and indirect, but just as meaningful. These unspoken compliments might show up in the way she acknowledges your actions, praises your character, or reacts to your ideas. Her tone of voice, body language, or even the words she chooses can quietly highlight her appreciation and interest. Psychologically, subtle compliments serve 2 main purposes. They build a sense of connection and serve as a safe way to express admiration without being too forward. Social psychology supports. This studies show that positive reinforcement and subtle praise can significantly strengthen interpersonal bonds. From a stoic viewpoint, tuning into these compliments requires empathy and attentiveness. It's about being present and aware, catching the quiet signals that others might miss. Unspoken compliments aren't just verbal. They include facial expressions, gestures, and tone. A look of admiration, a lingering smile, or an encouraging nod can say just as much as words. By paying attention to these small but meaningful moments, you open yourself up to a deeper understanding of her feelings and a stronger, more authentic connection. Admiration and subtle compliments, a smile, a nod of approval, or a thoughtful gesture. These subtle expressions can speak volumes about her admiration and attraction. These quiet forms of communication create a unique shared language that deepens the connection between 2 people. Being receptive to these unspoken compliments allows you to respond in a way that's both respectful and genuine. It shows that you recognize and appreciate her admiration, which in turn strengthens the emotional bond between you. By valuing these small yet meaningful signals, you demonstrate sensitivity and attentiveness qualities that help build mutual understanding and respect. To sum it up, subtle compliments are a powerful yet understated sign of interest. They go beyond words, revealing emotion and intent with grace. When you acknowledge and understand these signals, you not only gain insight into her feelings, but also foster a deeper, more authentic connection, grounded in mutual attraction and respect. Engaging conversations. One of the most telling signs that a woman is secretly attracted to you is her eagerness to engage in meaningful conversations. When someone is truly interested, they naturally seek opportunities to connect through deeper dialogue, not just surface-level chatter in the context of attraction. These conversations serve as bridges, helping both people understand one another on a more emotional level. Psychologically engaging conversations are strong indicators of mutual interest and connection. If a woman is attracted to you, she'll likely initiate or actively participate in discussions that explore your thoughts, interests, and personal experiences. Through these moments, she gains insight into your values and personality while sharing her own emotions and perspectives. Research in interpersonal communication consistently shows that meaningful conversation fosters closeness and connection, when someone invests their time and attention in exploring topics of shared interest is a clear signal. They're seeking a genuine and lasting bond connection beyond the surface, a stoic perspective on attraction. True connection transcends surface-level interactions. From a stoic viewpoint, engaging in meaningful conversations reflects the virtues of wisdom, understanding, and mutual respect. Stoicism encourages us to communicate with purpose, seeking thoughtful dialogue that nurtures learning, emotional growth, and shared insight when you participate, in respect for her intellect and emotional world. This creates a bond rooted in shared values and genuine curiosity. Such conversations aren't just fulfilling, they can also subtly reveal signs of hidden attraction. Pay close attention to her body language, vocal tone, and the topics she gravitates toward a woman who feels a secret. Attraction might display enthusiasm, actively listen, and show sincere interest in your thoughts and feelings. These non-verbal cues add depth to what's being said, offering insight into her emotional. These deeper exchanges you're showing. Landscape over time, these meaningful interactions allow you to deepen the connection, uncover shared passions, exchange personal stories, and build emotional intimacy by valuing these moments and reciprocating with attentiveness. You lay the groundwork for a truly fulfilling relationship. Subtle gestures, the silent language of attraction in the intricate dance of attraction. Subtle gestures often reveal more than words ever could when a woman is quietly drawn to you. She may express it through small yet meaningful actions, ones that communicate care, warmth, and a desire for closeness. Psychologically, these gestures are powerful forms of nonverbal communication. They influence how we perceive others and how connections are formed. A gentle touch, a playful nudge, or her remembering something small about you. These aren't random, they're signs of emotional investment. Research in social psychology shows that such nonverbal cues, even as simple as a supportive gesture or brief touch, enhance intimacy and deepen bonds. They reveal empathy, emotional awareness, and a wish to grow closer. From a stoic lens, recognizing these gestures reflects mindfulness. Stoicism teaches us to observe the present moment with awareness and interpret it with clarity. Appreciating these cues with sincerity shows that you value the silent expressions of emotion just as much as spoken ones, practically speaking. Notice how she interacts with you in different settings. Does she lean in when you talk? Is her presence consistent and thoughtful? These quiet signs, acts of kindness, subtle touches, moments of support are often windows into her feelings by reciprocating with warmth and attentiveness. You nurture a positive dynamic. Subtle gestures may seem small, but they carry great emotional weight. They can reveal not just attraction, but a desire to build something meaningful with you. Emotional openness, a window into connection. One of the most powerful signs of hidden attraction is emotional openness when a woman begins to share deeper parts of herself, her thoughts, experiences, hopes, and fears. It signals trust and a desire to connect on a profound level. This goes far beyond casual conversation. Emotional openness reflects vulnerability and authenticity qualities that Stoicism honors. A Stoic doesn't shy away from emotion, but embraces it with honesty and intention. Psychologically, emotional disclosure builds intimacy when someone feels safe enough to reveal personal stories or insecurities. It creates mutual empathy. Research shows that couples who share emotional experiences and engage in meaningful conversations tend to form stronger, longer-lasting bonds from a Stoic perspective. Embracing emotional openness means showing up as your genuine self and creating a space where she feels safe to do the same. It's about valuing truth, cultivating empathy, and building a relationship based on substance, not pretense. So when she opens up to you, listen deeply, be present, respond with care and appreciation. These moments are not just signs of trust. They're milestones in a growing emotional connection. Emotional openness, showing empathy and creating a safe space for emotional expression, are powerful ways to build connection. When you listen actively and without judgment, you demonstrate your willingness to understand and support someone's emotional world. Pay attention. Does she share personal stories or confide in you about sensitive matters? Is she comfortable expressing her emotions openly? These are signs that she values your perspective and trusts you, which may indicate a deeper, possibly romantic interest. Emotional openness is often a strong indicator of attraction. It shows her desire to connect on a deeper level, one rooted in trust, empathy, and mutual understanding. By being present, compassionate, and supportive, you cultivate a relationship based on authenticity and emotional intimacy. Cherish these moments of vulnerability as opportunities to deepen your bond and explore the potential for a meaningful connection, respectful engagement. Another subtle sign of attraction is respectful engagement, when she genuinely values your thoughts, opinions, and well-being. This goes beyond politeness. It's about showing consistent care and attentiveness in conversations and interactions. You might notice her actively listening, maintaining eye contact, or remembering small details you've shared. These actions show that she sees you, respects you, and is truly interested in who you are. From a psychological perspective, respectful behavior is often a sign of admiration. People naturally mirror those they're drawn to. Displaying attentiveness, kindness, and respect in the context of stoicism. Respectful engagement aligns with core virtues like dignity and integrity. Treating others with respect, regardless of circumstances, builds strong and ethical relationships. If she consistently treats you with warmth and consideration, both privately and publicly, it suggests she values your presence in her life. Take note. Does she engage meaningfully in conversation? Does she ask thoughtful questions or respond with genuine interest? These are signs that she enjoys your company on a deeper level. In conclusion, both emotional openness and respectful engagement are meaningful indicators of a woman's hidden attraction. They reflect a desire for a deeper connection based on trust, mutual respect, and shared understanding. By reciprocating with empathy, attentiveness, and kindness, you foster a strong emotional foundation that can grow into a fulfilling relationship. Understanding these subtle cues can help you navigate relationships with more insight and emotional intelligence, rooted in both psychological research and Stoic philosophy. These signs offer a glimpse into the quiet language of connection. Remember, human behavior is nuanced. These indicators aren't guarantees, but thoughtful observations approach each interaction with care and respect. And as Marcus Aurelius wisely said, be tolerant with others and strict with